হাই গুড মর্নিং। আজকে আমাদের সামনে রয়েছে রূপম অ্যান্ড অনুষ্কা। ওরা দুজনেই বিডিএমআইতে পড়ে, একজন ক্লাস 9-এ, একজন পড়ে 4-এ। তো ওদের মধ্যে আজকে একটা চ্যালেঞ্জ হয়েছে, ওরা নিজেরাই ডিসাইড করেছে যে ওরা হোমওয়ার্ক দেবে কেমনভাবে, যে পড়ার মাধ্যমে ভাইভা কাইন্ড অফ আমরা একটা অ্যাক্টিভিটি করছি, যার মধ্যে রূপমের ক্লাস থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন করা হবে, অনুষ্কার ক্লাস থেকে একটা কোশ্চেন করা হবে। একটা কোশ্চেন প্রতি 1 পয়েন্ট করে। তো দেখা যাক আজকের কে জেতে। So first question is for Rupam. So first question is, on what factor food security depends?
Food security is depend on the public distribution system (PDS). Government vigilance is proper and appropriate to the at the time of food security is threatened.
So the answer is correct. 1 point for Rupam. The next question is for Anushka. Anushka, your question is, plant habitats can be divided into two major groups. What are they?
Plants' habitat can be divided into two major parts. They are land or terrestrial group, water or aquatic plants.
Wow, very nice. Anushka also get 1 point. Next question for Rupam is, what is famine?
Famine is a situation where large number of people die due to scarcity of food in natural calamity or disaster. In these situations, the food price will increase very high. That's why the poor people cannot buy those foods. That's why the government provide their buffer stocks food at very cheap in cost to them. The devastating famine is when the Bengal famine in 1943, the 30 lakh people dies in this famine.
Very impressive, Rupam. Very nice answer.
Thank you, sir.
So you can think the situation of Bengal at 1943. There is a very bad situation for
Yes, sir,
Kolkata
30
and
lakh
Bengal.
people was not less.
There's a large number of people died. So you got another point. Very nice. So the next question for Anushka is, what are the adaptation of trees in desert?
Plants called succulents, water stored on stems or leaves, waxy coating on the stems and leaves to reduce water loss. Prickly spines is discourage animal to eating plants for water.
So next question for Rupam is, in which areas of India feminine-like situations still exist?
Nothing like the feminine of Bengal is happened again, but in some places of Kalahandi and Kashipur in Odisha, the feminine is observed. The starvation of death is also reported, and also some places in Burman districts of Rajasthan and Palamu district of Jharkhand, and also remote areas, there also starvation of deaths are reported.
Very nice. You get another point. Anushka, your brother is getting you a very big challenge. So are you ready for the next question?
Yes.
Very nice. So next question for Anushka is, what is the feature? Tell me one feature of mountain plant.
Many trees' branches droop downward to help shed excess snow to keep the branches from breaking.
Thank you. Very nice. You get another point. So the score will be same. 4 and 4. Give each other very tough competition. So the last question makes is the final decision. Let's move on. Next question. Here is the final and last question for Rupam is, how calamity affect food security?
The calamity like droughts, floods, earthquakes, and etc. These are the calamities which harm the food security in India. If it happens in any place of India, the food grains were not grown up properly and the food price increased very highly. So the poor people cannot buy those foods and eat. That's why government provide them a food at cheap rate so they can buy those food at affordable price.
Very nice, Rupam. So government can also help the poor people or the backward classes people to get the food, right?
Yes.
According to your answer. Very nice. So Anushka, your last question is, what is adaptation?
Adaptation Adaptation is a crucial feature of plants to survive in its habitat.
Thank you. Your answer is also correct. So the score will be same. Congratulations to each other. I also tell you the congratulations that you get same marks or the same score in this challenge. So the challenge is tie. We have to ready for our next challenge. Okay. So thank you to both of you. বোনাস ভিডিওর শেষে বোনাস অ্যাড করবো।
স্যার বলো তো কি করবো?
অনুষ্কাকে নিয়ে ভিডিও বানানো মানে হেভি চাপ। হ্যাঁ কি বলো বলো।
শনি রবি করে এই ঘরে পড়বো।
একদম একদম। এটা কি হচ্ছে মানু? এনার্জি এরম ভাবে কেউ নেয় নাকি? আরে 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 শান্ত বসবে তো একটু।